In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit mobile menu on WordPress in less than 2 minutes. We'll walk through the exact clicks inside the WordPress Site Editor so you can confidently adjust your mobile navigation and publish those changes fast. Start by opening the WordPress Site Editor and loading your home template. You'll see the page in edit mode with your header at the top. Hover over the header area until you see the navigation section outlined. Then click the highlighted region to select it. This tells WordPress you want to work with the site's navigation block, which controls your menu across different devices. Next, switch your view to mobile. Use the responsive preview control in the editor toolbar and choose mobile so you're seeing what visitors see on phones. This is crucial. Many themes display a compact hamburger menu on mobile, and you want to edit within that exact layout. Now click Preview in New tab. This opens a live preview side by side, which makes it easier to confirm your changes as you go. Keep that tab open for reference while you continue working in the editor. Back in the editor, click the mobile menu icon, the 3 lines, inside your header so the collapsed menu opens on the canvas. With the menu visible, click the highlighted navigation area again to make sure the navigation block is selected. If the selection feels tricky, zoom in slightly or hover until the blue outline clearly shows you've got the right block. Inside the menu, click the item you want to adjust. For example, the one labeled Hello World. Selecting a specific item focuses its options. Then click the highlighted controls around that item to access its settings. These controls allow you to adjust details like the link target or label, and to manage how items appear in the mobile layout. Continue clicking the highlighted options to expand or collapse sections until you see the exact setting you need. Once your menu looks the way you want in the editor, it's time to publish. Click Save in the top right corner. WordPress may summarize what's changing, your navigation in this case. Confirm those updates, then click Launch to push the changes live so they're visible to your visitors. Finally, glance at the Preview tab you opened earlier to verify the mobile menu reflects your edits. That's it. Quick, focused clicks in the site editor, a mobile view to guide your decisions,